Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox my PR package from YESSTYLE. And this is the exclusive campaign Minimalist skincare routine. So today I will check what is inside of this box. Thank you so much YESSTYLE for choosing me to try this Minimalist skincare product. So if you are a YESSTYLE influencer or you purchase on YESSTYLE, you always have this invoice receipt for you to know or to check if the products inside is correct. And it's written also here the price. So the first product that I received is the Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen by iUNIK. So I'm always fond of collecting SPF because today is very hot and even the winter we need sunscreen. So this is my first time to use this sunscreen. And this one is SPF 50+++. So this is the packaging, and let me see. Oh, it's nice consistency. It absorbs very quick and no smell. So I will like this. And next is this Wishtrend green tea and Enzyme Milky foaming wash. Oh yeah, it's another collection for my foaming wash. So this is the packaging. So nice. It's a pump. So I cannot try now. So I will do a review for each items. Next is this Benton Bakuchiol Serum. I always wanted to try this. And yes, I have it on my hand now. See the color of this? This Vitalift-A and neck night cream. Wow, this brand is new to me, so I'm so excited to try this and give you my thoughts about this product. So this is it. Eye and neck. So perfect night cream. And lastly, this one, the Dr. Cica ROVECTIN Skin Essential. I'm always fan of patient masks. So they have 5 inside. So I will do a separate review for this skincare or minimalist skincare product that I received from YESSTYLE. So if you have any question, guys, or if you want to purchase this product, you can go to the description box and I will put the link, and you can use my code Lhorsef28 for you to be avail extra discount. And of course, if you want to be a part of a YESSTYLE influencer, click the link down. So this is it for today, and hope you will see my product review soon. I will upload on my YouTube, on my Instagram, and TikTok. Again, thank you so much YESSTYLE for sending me this minimalist skincare product. God bless you all, guys.